Unlock the power of smart market analysis with TradingView, even if you're just starting out. First, let's get you set up. Head over to TradingView.com. You can create a free account, which is all you need to start. Once logged in, you'll see a search bar. Type in the ticker symbol of the asset you want to analyze, for example, AAPL for Apple or BTCUSD for Bitcoin. Click on your chosen asset from the suggestions, and boom, your first chart appears. Now, let's customize your view. By default, you're likely seeing bar charts, but you can easily switch. Look for the chart type selector. Usually a small drop-down near the top left. You'll find options like candlesticks, which are incredibly popular for their visual representation of price action. Next up, indicators. These are overlays that help you spot trends and potential trading opportunities. Find the indicators button, typically near the top. Click it, and a huge library opens. For beginners, let's add two classics: the moving average and the relative strength index, or RSI. Type moving average into the search bar, select it, and then do the same for RSI. You'll see these lines and numbers appear on your chart, giving you valuable insights. Finally, let's talk about drawing tools. These are your Hansen analysis instruments on the left side of your chart. You'll find a toolbar packed with options. Click the trend line tool, for example, and you can draw lines to connect price points, helping you identify support and resistance levels. Experiment with other tools like Fibonacci retracements or simple horizontal lines to mark key price levels. Practice drawing on historical data to get a feel for it. With these basics, you're well on your way to deciphering the markets on TradingView.